Lady Jang. How are your babies? Wow. My Lady Jang has given birth. Very good, Lady Jang. Look at how many babies, my dear. How many babies? Huh? 1, 2. How many? Only 3? Only 2? Why only 2? Where's the other one? Huh? Where's the other one? Oh, it's there inside. Is she okay? She got 3. She got 3 babies. Supposedly 4, but the other one died upon giving birth. Very good, Lady Jang. I love you so much. Love you, Lady Jang. Lady Jang. I love you, love you. Very good. Take care of your babies, okay? You have to feed them, huh? In order for them to grow, okay? Okay, Lady Jang? You have to take care of your babies, okay? You have to feed them, give them a lot of milk in order for them to grow, huh? Grow strong and grow bigger, okay? Wow, my Lady Jang is very good. Very good, Lady Jang. I love you so much. Very good. Here are the babies of Lady Jang. Why only 3? Why only 4? But it's okay, my dear. Huh? Love you so much. Love you for being so good. Nancy? Wow. So cute. Your baby. You don't like me to hold it? Okay. Okay, Lady Jang, I have to go now. Mommy will go to work, okay? Bye-bye. You take care of your babies, huh? Thank you so much, Lady Jang. Love you, love you.